In the world of technology, software engineers are the unsung heroes, turning coffee into code. But today, a new challenger enters the arena. Hey there, I heard this is where the magic happens. I'm here to shake things up. Welcome, Devin. So you think you can code? I don't just think I know. And so, the challenge was set, a coding duel that would test their skills to the limit. With their keyboards clacking, the battle of brains versus brawn begins. But there's a twist. Devin isn't just any coder. You see, I'm not just about algorithms and efficiency. I bring creativity to the table. Impressive, Devin. But we have our own secret weapon. It was a close call, but in the end, it's not about who's better. It's about how Devin and the engineers learn from each other, combining creativity with technology. Looks like we make a great team, the best. Let's build the future together. And so, the day ended not with one victor, but with a newfound partnership, software engineers and Devin, united by code. Join us next time for another episode of Tech Tales, collaboration over competition.